Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're checking out the top 5 free math solver apps of 2025. Perfect when you're stuck on a problem or just want to learn in a smarter way. We'll walk through each app for a couple minutes, see what they do best, and then wrap up with the verdict on which works best depending on your style. All right, let's dive in. First up, Socratic by Google. This one's amazing if you're not just trying to get an answer, but actually understand why it works. You snap a photo or type your question, and the AI breaks it down with hints, concept cards, and even video tutorials. It doesn't just teach the how, it teaches the why. So if you're learning concepts deeply, that's your go-to. And yeah, it's completely free, or you can grab a premium for extra features, but the core helps are free. Next, Photomath. This one remains the OG camera math solver. Just point your phone at a problem and you get a step-by-step breakdown. It handles algebra, calculus, word problems, you name it. Super fast, visual, and yeah, great when you need help right now. The free version gives you solid breakdowns. Pro unlocks video tutorials and more explanation. Still, for 90% of puzzles, the free version does the trick. All right, now, Microsoft Math Solver, fully free, no ads, with rich features like interactive graphs, step-by-step breakdowns, and links to video lessons. Whether it's algebra, calculus, or stats, this tool helps you visualize solutions. Super helpful for more visual learners or those tackling higher level math. Totally free and surprisingly powerful. Fourth, Qenda. This one's big in Asia, but growing everywhere. Upload a photo of your math problem and it gives AI-generated step solutions. Plus, you can chat with a real tutor if you need extra help. It also has a specialized small AI model, MathGPT, that's beating major benchmarks. Pretty impressive. Tons of students use it and it's free to start. And finally, GeoGebra. This is not just a solver, but a dynamic platform for exploring algebra, geometry, calculus, stats. You can graph, manipulate shapes, experiment in real time. Totally free and packed with interactive lessons, applets, and teacher tools. It's ideal if you're a visual learner or want to play with math concepts instead of just solving them. Okay, let's recap this quick. Socratic by Google is your concept tutor. Photomath is fastest for step-by-step on the go. Microsoft Math Solver is free and rich with graphs and detail. Qenda combines AI smarts with live tutor backup. GeoGebra is perfect for visual, interactive learning. Verdict time, if you just need answers fast, go with Photomath. If understanding the why matters, Socratic nails that. For free and advanced tools, Microsoft Math Solver is solid. Want human backup and smart AI, Qenda is a great mix. Prefer to experiment and visualize, GeoGebra can't be beat. For most students, a combo is awesome. Use Photomath when stuck, Socratic to understand, and GeoGebra to explore deeper. Hope this helps you find the app that matches how you learn.